Consider this simple decision tree with two branches off of a choice node. Branch A, branch B, the choice node. Next, let's assume I've drawn this on an Excel spreadsheet and that we'd like to use the spreadsheet to build a model of this decision tree. We'll talk about how to draw the diagram in another lesson. For now, I want to focus on the fact that this branch is going to have some value, which I might put in this cell, and this branch B is going to have a value that I might put in this cell. And what I'd like to do is somewhere around here have a formula that says if the value on branch A is bigger, then that's the value we have here at the node. If the value on branch B is bigger, then that's the value we have. We can show this logic in a flowchart. The decision gets made here, and if branch A is larger, then the value in the choice node will be A, otherwise the value will be B. But how do we get Excel to implement this flowchart logic? What I'd like to do is put a formula in this cell which evaluates to the value of this cell if it is the larger, or this cell if it is the larger. Let's just imagine that I have the number 17 as the value of branch A and the value 14 as the value of branch B. What I want to do is write a formula here, which in this case is going to be valued to 17. My formula will look like this, equals if, parenthesis, Q5 is greater than Q11, then the value should be Q5. Otherwise, the value should be Q11. It evaluates to 17. I can click on the Show Formulas button and we'll see this. Note that the formula that contains the function if is a calculation just like any other formula. It takes the values of various cells and calculates the value of the current cell. In this case, the calculation is a logical one. We compare the cell Q5 and Q11 and effectively pick the bigger of the two. To persuade ourselves that it works, let's change the value in one of the branch cells. The value of branch B now being greater, the value of the choice node is 23 to represent that we've now chosen choice B.